Today, we're diving into an exciting discovery from the depths of the universe. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, researchers at the University of Copenhagen have become the first to observe the formation of three of the earliest galaxies in the universe, more than 13 billion years ago. This incredible discovery adds significant knowledge about the universe and has been published in Science. For the first time in the history of astronomy, researchers at the Niels Bohr Institute have witnessed the birth of three of the universe's earliest galaxies, dating back between 13.3 and 13.4 billion years ago. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, these first live observations of galaxy formation have been brought down to Earth. Through the telescope, researchers observed large amounts of gas accumulating and accreting onto a mini galaxy in the process of being formed. This is the first time the theorized and simulated process of galaxy formation has been directly witnessed. Assistant Professor Casper Elm-Heinz from the Niels Bohr Institute, who led the new study, says, "You could say that these are the first direct images of galaxy formation that we've ever seen. Whereas the James Webb has previously shown us early galaxies at later stages of evolution, here we witness their very birth, and thus the construction of the first star systems in the universe." The researchers estimate the birth of these three galaxies occurred roughly 400 to 600 million years after the Big Bang, the explosion that started it all. While that sounds like a long time, it corresponds to galaxies forming during the first 3 to 4% of the universe's 13.8 billion year lifespan. Shortly after the Big Bang, the universe was an enormous opaque gas of hydrogen atoms, very different from today's star-speckled night sky. Associate Professor Darach Watson explains, "During the few 100 million years after the Big Bang, the first stars formed, before stars and gas began to coalesce into galaxies. This is the process that we see the beginning of in our observations." The birth of galaxies took place during a period in the universe's history known as the Epoch of Rayonization, when the energy and light from some of the first galaxies broke through the mists of hydrogen gas. It is precisely these large amounts of hydrogen gas that the researchers captured using the James Webb Space Telescope's infrared vision. This is the most distant measurement of cold, neutral hydrogen gas, the building block of stars and galaxies, discovered by scientific researchers to date. The study was conducted by Casper Elm-Heinz in close collaboration with research colleagues Darach Watson, Gabriel Brammer, and PhD student Simone Weilgaard from the Cosmic Dawn Center at the University of Copenhagen's Niels Bohr Institute. The center aims to investigate and understand the dawn of the universe. This latest result brings them much closer to achieving that goal. The research team has already applied for more observation time with the James Webb Space Telescope, hoping to expand upon their new findings and learn more about the earliest epoch in the formation of galaxies. Simone Weilgaard says, "For now, this is about mapping our new observations of galaxies being formed in even greater detail than before. At the same time, we are constantly trying to push the limit of how far out into the universe we can see. So, perhaps we'll reach even further." This new knowledge helps answer one of humanity's most fundamental questions. One of the most basic questions humans have always asked is, where do we come from? Here, we piece together a bit more of the answer by shedding light on the moment that some of the universe's first structures were created. It is a process that we'll investigate further until, hopefully, we are able to fit even more pieces of the puzzle together, concludes Associate Professor Brammer. That's all for today. Let us know what you think about this incredible discovery in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.